Gilusad na sa Department of Tourism Region 11 ang 11 Dive Expo dinhi sa Davao City kaganihang buntag. Sumala ni DOT-11 Regional Director Tanya Rabatan tumong sa Dive Expo nga mapaila-ila ang nagkadayang dive destinations sa tibok Davao Region. Ug usa ang samal sa top destination, sanglit dunay 14 ka dive sites ang anaa sa isla. Gani niadtong Mayo, nagpahigayon sab ang DOT-11 ug Samal Dive Festival dungan sa paglusad ug dugang dive sites sa isla.
We also have emerging and potential dive sites that we'd like to validate further and enhance. But now also participating is our other dive destinations. We have Governor Generoso. They also have established dive sites already. And now we have Mati City. Also promoting na their dive sites. Yun yung mga bago natin. But we incorporated in this expo, we invited speakers, conservation experts, because we also want to, marami po, I think we have around 8 speakers who will talk about conservation and on marine wildlife protection. Kasi we also want to integrate this sa ating mga campaign. Kasi while we want to promote our dive sites, we want also for people to be more sensitive, and we want to promote also na it's important, how important it is also to conserve our underwater jewels. And
tuig 2020 ug 2021 pa natapos sa DOT-11 ang validation sa mga dive sites sa Davao Region apan nadilatar ang paglunsad sa Dive Expo tungod sa pandemya.
What I can say is that pandemic time, we were really able to go around and validate together with the Philippine Commission for Sports and Scuba Dive, validate emerging and potential dive sites. That's why we were able to reach Tarragona and Boston and other parts of the region. We plan also, hopefully we can also visit Davao Occidental, which is we're already coordinating with the LGU, and the same manner with the Davao del Sur. We believe there are many potential dive sites within the region. So pandemic time was the time when we were able to do the validations, and now this is what we see now, yung fruits ng ating validation.
Tungod hinay-hinay na nga mibalik sa normal ang sitwasyon human gipaubos sa mas luag nga quarantine restrictions ang pipila ka mga lugar ug probinsya sa Davao Region, naglaom ang DOT-11 nga mudaghan na unya og balik ang mga dumuduong nga mobisita sa mga dive destinations sa rehiyon. Gawa sa pag-promote, makatabang sab ang paglunsad sa Davao Dive Expo aron makaagni og mga mahiligon sa mga underwater adventures na sigurado makatabang sa pagpabalik sa ekonomiya nga nahagba tungod sa pandemya. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines, Davao Region. Stay safe.